Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, learn how to fix ChatGPT request is not allowed error on Android. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you fix it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. The first solution is to check the ChatGPT server status and wait until it is restored. Visit the Down Detector website to check this. The app's internal glitches can cause the request is not allowed. Please try again later ChatGPT error. Therefore, consider relaunching the ChatGPT application to fix it. Clearing the ChatGPT mobile app cache and data might also help you troubleshoot this annoying error. For this, try the steps. Navigate to Settings, then Apps and Notifications or App Management. Here you will see all apps and find the ChatGPT. On the Apps page, choose Storage and then Clear Storage or Clear Data. Finally, restart your phone. A fresh login session can reset temporary glitches, so logging out your ChatGPT account and logging in again might work for you to fix the error. You will have to wait a few seconds before logging back in. Go to Setting and log out. Wait few seconds. Now sign back in with your credentials. Now check if your error is solved. If you're an Android mobile user, switch to a desktop. Also, you can try a web browser instead of the ChatGPT mobile app, such as Firefox or Microsoft Edge. The next method to fix request is not allowed. Please try again later. Checked error is contacting the app developer to see if they have any specific troubleshooting steps. Visit the OpenAI Help Center. Next, go to the chat, Messages. Choose the ChatGPT, Other, Report a bug or error as responses. Describe your problem there or attach a screenshot of the error and wait until you get reply from OpenAI. So, this is all about how to fix ChatGPT request is not allowed error on Android. If you find this video useful, then give it a like, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos.
Thanks for watching.